In the 9th chapter of How to Make Your First Million, Vincent Arte takes readers on a profound exploration of financial discipline and prudence through the lens of saving and budgeting. Titled, The Power of Saving and Budgeting, this chapter serves as a cornerstone for wealth-building strategies, emphasizing the transformative impact of intentional financial planning on one's journey to financial success. Arte opens the chapter by highlighting the foundational role of saving in the wealth-building process. He draws attention to the timeless wisdom that saving, regardless of income level, is a fundamental principle that transcends economic circumstances. Readers are introduced to the concept of paying oneself first, a mantra that underscores the importance of prioritizing savings before allocating funds to other expenditures. The narrative gains momentum as Arte delves into the nuances of creating a budget. He demystifies the budgeting process, emphasizing its role as a financial roadmap that guides individuals toward their financial goals. Arte introduces readers to the concept of zero-based budgeting, wherein every dollar is assigned a specific purpose, leaving no room for financial ambiguity. A pivotal theme throughout the chapter is the notion of financial awareness. Arte stresses the importance of understanding one's financial inflows and outflows, urging readers to scrutinize their spending patterns. He introduces the concept of tracking expenses, providing practical insights into tools and methods for maintaining a clear and accurate record of financial transactions. Arte delves into the psychology of spending, unraveling the motivations behind financial choices. He invites readers to assess their values and priorities, emphasizing the alignment of spending habits with long-term financial goals. Arte introduces the concept of mindful spending, encouraging readers to make intentional and purpose-driven financial decisions. The exploration deepens as Arte discusses the significance of emergency funds. He elucidates the role of these financial cushions in mitigating unforeseen expenses and safeguarding against financial setbacks. Arte guides readers through the process of building and maintaining emergency funds, underscoring their importance as a cornerstone of financial resilience. The chapter unfolds as Arte explores the principles of goal-based budgeting. He introduces readers to the concept of aligning budgetary allocations with specific financial objectives, whether it be debt repayment, saving for a home, or investing for retirement. Arte provides practical insights into tailoring budgets to individual goals, fostering a sense of purpose and direction in financial planning. Arte navigates the landscape of debt management, addressing the significance of debt reduction in the pursuit of financial freedom. He introduces readers to strategies for paying down debt, from the snowball method to the avalanche method. Arte empowers readers to take control of their debt, fostering a sense of financial liberation through intentional and strategic repayment. The exploration gains depth as Arte discusses the concept of the savings rate. He demystifies this critical metric, guiding readers through the process of calculating and improving their savings rate. Arte introduces the idea of incremental increases in savings, emphasizing the cumulative impact of small, consistent efforts over time. A pivotal theme woven throughout the chapter is the relationship between saving and investing. Arte underscores the symbiotic nature of these financial practices, highlighting how disciplined saving provides the capital needed for strategic investments. He introduces readers to the concept of the savings investment cycle, illustrating the dynamic interplay between these two elements on the path to financial success. Arte expands the narrative to encompass the principles of frugality. He challenges conventional notions of deprivation, reframing frugality as a deliberate and empowering lifestyle choice. Arte provides practical insights into embracing frugality without sacrificing quality of life, fostering a mindset that prioritizes value and purpose in financial decisions. The chapter culminates in Arte's exploration of the mindset shift required for successful saving and budgeting. He addresses common misconceptions about budgeting, debunking the notion that it equates to restriction. Arte emphasizes the liberating and empowering nature of budgeting, positioning it as a tool for achieving financial goals rather than a constraint on lifestyle. In conclusion, the power of saving and budgeting emerges as a transformative chapter in Vincent Arte's wealth-building narrative. With a blend of practical guidance and motivational insights, Arte equips readers with the tools and mindset needed to harness the transformative power of intentional financial planning. Whether novices in the realm of budgeting or seasoned savers, readers find themselves empowered to take control of their financial destinies, steering toward a future of financial prosperity and fulfillment. Ready to unlock the secrets to financial success? Don't miss out on the full version of the best-selling personal finance book, How to Make Your First Million by Vincent Arte. Visit vincentarte.com now to grab your copy and embark on the journey to financial freedom. And that's not all. Everyone who buys a book through our website will have the unique opportunity, courtesy of Vincent Arte, to secure lifelong passive income for themselves.